Hi, I'm Christelle and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. The Marley family, Island Records and UME will this June mark the 40th anniversary of Exodus. The Bob Marley and the Wailers classic was originally released on June 3 in 1977 and named Best Album of the 20th Century by Time magazine in 1999 with a series of 4 separate reissues. Now, Ziggy Marley, son of the legendary Bob Marley, is presenting his newly curated restatement of the original album after intimately revisiting the original session recordings, uncovering unused and never before heard vocals, lyrics, phrasing and instrumentations transformed into a brand new session. On June 2, UME will release a version of Exodus titled Exodus 40, The Movement Continues, a 3 CD set that includes Exodus, Exodus 40, and Exodus Live. A limited edition gold vinyl version of the original 1977 album will also be available. Asadanaki Wailer, son of the legendary Bunny Wailer, is committed to continuing the legacy of spreading empowering messages and creating captivating music. The reggae offspring is reconnecting with his roots and shared his journey in our E-Prime Spotlight.
I'm from a musical family, uncle, brother, sister. My inspiration really though is from my life experiences, because me a footballer, I wasn't the original musician like everybody else, but after a while I noticed I don't want to express myself. I'm saying express what I go through in a life, and music was the best way, the best tool. So it starts, and that's what I continue.
Asadanaki is very focused on building his brand and is gearing up for the release of his latest projects, including his debut single, Living. He tells us more.
Living, is a track I got from Vern Hill of Blueprint band originally. Edna Manley School of Music, big up to Edna Manley Same Speed. I voiced the song down at Trenchtown, Jamming Studios, big up to Jamming Studios, and I mastered it at Anchor, so big up to Anchor Studio. It's about pretty much living, it's about life, giving thanks for life. Once you have life, you have hope, you understand? Don't give up ever, because you're breathing. Just take some deep breath and push on through, simple as that. Yeah, the single, it's there everywhere now. It coincides with the launching of the Wailers Museum, the Living Museum, Enough respect to Bunny Wailer, big up yourself, you don't know. And yeah, we're celebrating the life and the legacy, and we tell our own story. So the museum is about that. It's about the living legend telling his story and not somebody else telling it for him. So, it falls right in line with living. So you don't know, say the video I dropped today, the concept really is about, it's like a beach flex, you understand? You're bored in your yard and you want to just go have a good time. At Jamaica, we can just go to the beach, bring some friends, bring some food, have a good time, live your life,
Last week's Ludi controversy will not knock the winds out of fast-rising dancehall artist Shenseea, who is teaming up with Ghetto Youth Empire and Music Got Soul for her debut European tour this summer. The announcement was made yesterday, and the artist is expected to make her appearance in Europe between August 11 and August 26. Shenseea is also set to take the Reggae Sumfest stage on Friday, July 21. And on the international scene, Rough Rider rap legend DMX is in rehab again. The rapper checked himself in following a mysterious medical emergency. He further cancelled a slew of upcoming concerts with no further details on the story just yet. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Christelle. Thank you for watching.